When restoring, you may sometimes come across areas like this, where there's a lot to remove, but it may take some time to fix using just the clone tool. In this video, I'd like to show you how this burn-through can be quickly and easily removed using a method we are calling the quick clean. Here we have Photoshop's Layers panel. If yours is missing, you can find it under Window, Layers. You'll be familiar with the cloning layer, the top layer on which the majority of restoration is done using the clone stamp tool. More recently prepared images have a layer called Quick Clean located here inside the Staves folder, which you can open and close by clicking on this arrow. To work on this layer, we need to click on this small black image, which is called a layer mask thumbnail. You'll know it's selected if it has these white corners around it. If your layer thumbnails are not displayed in the way you can see here, you might find it helpful to right-click on any one of these layer icons and change the size of the thumbnails. Essentially, what we're doing with this Quick Clean layer is telling Photoshop to show a paper pattern where we paint. To do this, we will be painting using black and white, with white meaning show the pattern and black meaning hide it. First, select the brush tool. Then, make sure that your two colors are black and white. Normally, Photoshop will have automatically set this when we clicked on the layer mask thumbnail, but if yours hasn't, you can click on this black and white icon to quickly set the colors to black and white. With the brush tool selected, find a nice size and hardness. This works in the same way as the cloning tool and can be changed up here, or by right-clicking. If we now paint using this white brush, Photoshop will apply the paper pattern. If we change our mind, we simply switch to black and paint again. This can be quickly achieved with this color swap icon, or even better, by pressing X on your keyboard. As well as clearing large areas, this technique can also be used for cleaning complex shapes, notes that you would rather keep their original shape than replace via cloning, or areas that you would have just cloned blank parchment onto anyway, without the need to resample with the cloning brush. As a side note, a useful tip to go with this method is that if you hold the Shift key, you can draw straight lines between your clicks, rather than painstakingly dragging the mouse. Of course, this technique is no replacement for cloning, but it can be a useful addition to your digital toolbox.